The definition on Google for compost is decayed organic material used as plant fertilizer. Material that was once living that again provides support for life. Well, I recently invested in the EJWOX large composting tumbler. I'd never done that before, never tumbled, never composted. You have to try new things to have new experiences to get new results. Also, having the knowledge of how to compost can save you a lot of money from buying supplements for your garden if you're a gardener or growing plants or vegetables, so that little bit of knowledge saves you money. In the classroom, everything I'm going to teach you has the potential to put you in a better situation or to provide you nourishment. For example, in the manual for this composter, it says that you should put in about 2 parts brown material to about 1 part green material. So brown material being carbon resources like fallen leaves, straw, paper towels, napkins, and green material being nitrogen sources like grass clippings or living material in the compost. So it's a ratio. And I was just thinking that sometimes you might have a subject in school that's not your favorite, like maybe it's for any particular student science or English or math, but every little bit you learn might be useful to combine with other information later. You learn a little bit in economics that helps you save money on a house later. You learn about credit so you don't get into debt, and that ability lets you fund whatever creative projects that you want. Or you learn about history and maybe it connects you with someone down the road who finds you a job in another field. It happened for me. I won a debate tournament in high school and I put that on my resume, and then someone ended up hiring me at the Salvation Army as communications director, which led me back into radio broadcasting, and that led me to teaching. So it had a great impact. Something I almost deleted and thought wasn't important actually had a tremendous amount of reuse. You never know what value the learning you have and the materials you possess in your brain can help you flourish and grow later. And this already in day 1 has helped me look at my life differently. When something like some beans have gone bad in the fridge, now suddenly instead of throwing it away and putting it in a landfill, you put it in your compost and it feeds organic material for later. When I got cardboard that came with the compost itself, I cut up the cardboard into pieces and put it into the compost instead of in the recycling. Now I don't have an overflowing recycling bin. Instead, I found a solution. And I can utilize, and now I see value in everything from dead leaves on the lawn to organic material in the fridge that we would have thrown away and would have thought of as a waste because we didn't eat it in time. If you think about your learning that way, imagine how useful every piece of knowledge is, even this little bit of metaphorical information containing how to compost and how that can help your garden. So pretty cool. I'm pretty grateful to EJWOX for giving me the opportunity to learn this. I'm pretty grateful for this summertime to be able to refresh and think about things differently. And I'm pretty grateful that you're my student and that I hope this will impact you in a positive way in your life. Thanks a lot. And I hope you appreciated the metaphor in the conversation. And thank you for listening to the Inspiring Teachers podcast as well.